All right, today we're over at the Garden Grove job and we're getting set up to do the hardwood floor that's going into this project, and then I'll show you what's going on the inside. We installed some underlayment and we're getting our first row going on the flooring. Let me take you in there and show you what's going on. We got our flooring here. We've notched our casing so our hardwood floor can fit underneath it. However, if it's too short, we have to cut it again. But as you can see, we've got our patterns of our flooring. There's 10 different patterns on this floating floor. And so what we want to do when we're installing this floor is to make sure that we mix up the different patterns so they're not two of them alike next to each other. So we got them all separated, ready to go. So we do have our underlayment down. This is a vapor barrier to stop any type of moisture that might be coming up from the existing concrete slab. And as you can see, we stopped it over at this spot just because we don't want to be constantly walking all over it the whole time. But we'll be concentrating on this room the most, get most of this done hopefully today, and then we'll be back tomorrow to hopefully get the rest of the flooring done and then wrap up all of our cuts and everything. I'll show you more progress once we get there. Okay, as we enter the room addition here, you can see our hardwood floor. Nice, beautiful, floating hardwood floor. Very, very elegant, very nice. Okay, you can kind of see that we have finished it completely throughout. We also hung her 5-panel light closet door. And let me show you some of the intricate details that we do on our casing / baseboard. The owner wanted the same baseboard as the casing. So you can kind of see how we do our trim. Okay, but let me show you down below. So we have our baseboard down here, and always the thicker part goes down at the bottom and then your thinner part here. But instead of making this door leg casing come all the way down to the ground, we miter it on a 45. That allows us to make it look like it's a continuous piece of casing / baseboard. Then we have our miter there. And we also have our miter there. And then when we come back down, we do the same thing again. We've got our miter instead of butt joints. It makes it look much cleaner and more professional. And I've got one of my crew guys finishing up the molding over here. I'm going to use cordless nail guns. It makes our job much easier.